Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a exquisite 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom residence for sale. It is located at Plantation Drive in Red Hills, St. Andrew. It offers the perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and functionality. The spacious main house features a well appointed kitchen with a pantry, complete with a sub zero wine cooler, making it ideal for culinary lovers. The living and dining areas provides a warm and inviting space for entertaining. There are air conditions, jacuzzi, enclosed double carport, and a automatic gate, which makes you feel well secured, while the laundry room and the helper's quarters adds convenience. Additionally, a 1 bedroom, fully equipped flat offers a private retreat for guests or extended family. The swimming pool and expansive deck create a breathtaking entertainment area with unparalleled views of the city and port, designed for modern living. The home is equipped with water tank, pump, and a generator, ensuring uninterrupted comfort. This property is a rare gem, combining luxurious amenities with spectacular scenery. Truly a dream home sitting on 1/3 acre of land. Call today for your viewing appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 900,000 or Jamaican $142 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.